Welcome to our showdown between two popular countertop ice makers, the Silonn Ice Maker and the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker. In this video, we'll explore their features, performance, and value to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. Let's dive in. When it comes to pricing, the Silonn Ice Maker is priced at $109, while the Igloo model is more budget-friendly at $89. This significant price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a cost-effective solution. In terms of ice production speed, the Silonn Ice Maker boasts an impressive 6-minute cycle for 9 ice cubes, while the Igloo takes slightly longer at 7 to 8 minutes for 8 cubes. If speed is a priority for you, the Silonn has the edge. Portability is another key factor. The Silonn features a built-in carry handle, making it easy to transport for camping or RV trips. On the other hand, the Igloo, while compact, lacks this feature, which may limit its portability. In conclusion, both the Silonn and Igloo ice makers offer great features and performance. The Silonn excels in speed and portability, while the Igloo provides excellent value for money with its compact design. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed choice. Over that. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.